Public is another popular investing app out there. This investing platform focuses equally on investments as well as research tools. You'll find a wide variety of assets available on Public, including alternative assets like art and collectibles, as well as research tools like their built-in AI assistant. There's a lot to cover with Public, so let's go ahead and break it down by category, starting with equities or stocks. Public supports commission-free fractional share investing in the major US listed stocks and ETFs. However, the minimum to invest is $5. In addition, they also offer options contracts as well as investments in individual bonds and cryptocurrencies. Looking at the bond investments, Public offers corporate, treasury, and municipal bond investments with minimums as low as $100. And we're not talking about bond ETF investments, we're talking about direct ownership of bonds. Public also has a robust tool built in specifically for bond analysis, as well as AI-powered tools for stock research. Moving on now to cryptocurrency, Public offers crypto investments through their third-party partner. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as about a dozen other tokens through the app. However, one thing you're not able to do is send and receive cryptocurrencies to and from your Public account at this point in time. Now, in addition to investments, Public is also a popular choice for those looking to park their uninvested cash. Now, keep in mind that rates are subject to change based on the federal funds rate. But right now, Public is offering bond accounts with yields up to 7% for those looking to get a maximum return on their cash and willing to take on a little bit of risk. And for those who prefer an FDIC insured savings account, Public currently offers a 4.35% APY high yield cash account. Finally, looking at the alternative investments category, Public offers investments in artwork, collectibles like sneakers, Pokemon cards, and more. These investments are certainly not for everyone, but they are available to you within the Public app if you want to diversify into them. Now, if you want to check out Public, be sure to use my link on the screen or down in the description below, as they have an exclusive offer just for my audience. When you open up a new Public account using my link, you're going to get a free $20 bonus investment. All you have to do is open up the account with the link in the description or on screen, and then click the three lines in the top left, and then click on rewards. From there, you're going to scroll down to where it says enter promo code, and then type in Ryan 2024. This is going to let you choose a free $20 bonus investment from a list of stocks, and in my case, I personally chose Apple. Now, I'm going to be doing a full Public investing app tutorial shortly, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for when that video comes out.